Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about articles. But before I start this chapter, please click on the subscribe button for more such updates every week. So let's start. So what is an article? Articles are used to indicate whether a noun refers to a specific or a general item. So as we all know that there are two kinds of articles. First is the definite article, second is the indefinite article. Indefinite articles are a and an. A and an is used to non-specific or non-particular nouns. An is used before words starting with vowel sounds like an ant, an egg. So the first letter of the word like ant, A is the vowel sound, so we use an as an article before a vowel letter. And A is used before words starting with a consonant sound like a bag, a cat. So the first letter of the words like bag, that is B, or the cat, that is C, is a consonant, and therefore we use the article A with the consonant sound. And definite article is the, and the is used to refer to specific or particular nouns like the Taj Mahal, the English, the Indian Ocean, and so on. The is used in many such forms. Let us know some more examples of where it is used and how it is used. We can use the before certain nouns when we know there is only one of a particular kind or the thing, or we can say universal truth, or referring to the nature like the rain, the sun, the wind, the world, the earth. Okay? However, if you want to describe a particular instance of these, we use a or an. Like there is a cold wind blowing, or I could hear the wind. Sometimes we use the to describe the people of a country or some class of people like the English, the French, the rich. We use the for many large geographical areas and directions as well, like the east, the Gulf countries, the Himalayas, on the west, etc. For rivers, oceans and seas like the Brahmaputra, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and so on. Before the names of deserts, forests and gulfs like the Sahara, the Persian Gulf, the Amazon forest or the Thar desert, or before the names of musical instruments like the guitar, the drum, the flute, the violin. Sometimes it is also used before a superlative degree like the best computer, which is a superlative degree here, best. The worst player, the most interesting book. Before the names of newspapers like the Hindu, the Indian Express, or the Telegraph. The is also used for the names of famous buildings, monuments, paintings, as I had given the example earlier, like the Taj Mahal, the Empire State Building, the Red Fort, the Mona Lisa. If you know some more examples, you can write down in the comments. However, we must also remember that the is used before the name of countries which have of in them or which are in plural form, like the United States of America. Can you see the of in it? Yes. And one more is the Netherlands. It's in plural form. There are two special ways of using the. You must keep in mind. First one, the is not used before school, college, hospital, etc. when these places are visited for their primary function. For example, my sister has been going to school since she was 3 years old, which means which she does usually, like everyday work, which is a primary function. So we do not need to use the for the everyday work. Next, the is used with these words when we refer to them as a definite place, building, or object. Like, my mother goes to the school sometimes to pick her up. So when it is rare, only sometimes, and when it is a definite place or a building, that time we referred it as the. Otherwise, we do not use it. The is also used in some fixed expressions, or we can say proverbs, like the bigger the better or the more the merrier. Now, articles are not used in certain places. So let us know with some sentences where articles are not needed. So which are correct and which are wrong. So where we usually use it in a wrong way, and which is the correct way of saying. First one, with uncountable nouns, when we make a general statement, we do not need to use any article. I love a coffee or I love the coffee. That is incorrect. We must say I love coffee. Second one, before the names of meals, if referred to in a general manner. Example, shall we have the dinner now? Shall we have the dinner now? That is wrong statement. I always have lunch at 2 p.m. but today I had a late lunch. So do you understand the difference? So when it is used in a general manner, we use the article, but when we do not use it in a general manner, we do not need the article before the names of hours, days or months. Like our tennis match is on the Thursday. So that is completely wrong. So we do not say it as on the Thursday. Rather, we can say our tennis match is on Thursday, or you can say I will meet you on Monday. When we talk about sports, she plays the badminton. No, that is incorrect. We should say she plays badminton or we play tennis every day. So articles are not used before the names of languages or countries. The Nepali is the national language of Nepal. That is incorrect. Nepali is the national language of Nepal. So this is the correct sentence. But as I had already explained before, that some countries use the letter the. Not all the countries, but there are certain rules to that. I hope you understood the chapter well. So let us do one exercise. I'll give you 2 sentences and you have to strike out the mistakes and tell me in the comments below. First one, I was born in the 2000. I repeat, I was born in the 2000. Second one, my mother tongue is the Hindi. My mother tongue is the Hindi. I'm sure you know the answer. Please write down in the comments below where is the mistake. And if you have any other doubts, you can still write down in the comment and I'll be there to reply. Okay, so have a great day. Thank you.